Here are 10 ways to enhance your garden with compost. Compost is an incredibly versatile and valuable resource that can be utilised in various ways to benefit your garden, household and the environment. Here are some active and engaging ideas on how to make the most of your compost. Fertilise your garden. Use your nutrient-rich compost to fertilise your garden beds, providing essential organic matter and nourishment for your plants. Spread a generous layer of compost around the base of your plants to promote healthy and vibrant growth. Mulch for moisture retention. Apply compost as a mulch to help retain moisture in your soil. This will not only reduce the need for frequent watering but also protect plant roots for extreme temperatures. Create compost tea. Make a compost tea by steeping compost in water to create a powerful liquid fertiliser. This can be sprayed directly onto the leaves of the plants to provide them with a boost of nutrients. Improve soil structure. Mix compost into your garden soil to improve its structure and water retention capacity. This will help loosen heavy clay soils and provide better aeration for plant roots. Amend potting mixes. Blend compost into potting mixes to enhance your nutritional value and create a healthier growing environment for your potted plants. Feed your lawn. Spread a thin layer of compost over your lawn to provide it with essential nutrients and promote a thicker, lusher turf. Boost compost bins. Use finished compost to kickstart new compost piles or bins, providing a source of beneficial organisms to aid in the composting process. Repel pests and diseases. Some research suggests that using compost as a top dressing around plants can help you deter certain pests and diseases due to its rich microbial community. Using compost for erosion control. Apply compost to help control erosion on slopes and bare areas by stabilising the soil and promoting healthy plant growth. Support sustainable living. By using compost, you are participating in a sustainable waste management, reducing your ecological footprint and returning your organic matter back to the earth. In conclusion, compost is a valuable resource with numerous benefits for the gardening, landscaping and the environment. Our Diggers compost is the perfect example of high quality, nutrient-rich compost available at Kennedy's Cranbourne.